So HT Style Awards is something I was really looking forward to. So मैं अपना style बहुत gothic रखना चाहती थी इस बार because I'm very moved by these emo hairstyles and emo looks and gothic hairstyles. And the looks, of course. So this time I tried to go all black and gothic. So that was the minimalistic I could keep.
क्या हमारे ये वो सब रीजन है जो कि आपको अगेन एंड अगेन एशिया की सक्सेस स्टोरी में आपका नाम आता है?
I have no idea about this. All I know is that my fashion is all about experiments, and more or less I don't know how well does it go with everybody. But then this is it, this is my personal styling. This is my personal styling. So everything, all of that.
Yeah. What about your upcoming projects? Because we all knew the Maya is also there. So what's the Maya?
Twisted.
Season they Twisted also. उसका नया सीजन देख पाएंगे. When can you see you on big screen? Is there any news that you want to share with us?
I have no idea about that, but Twisted 3 I'm really waiting for. I wish Vikram sir is listening somewhere. He's busy with his movies, and we couldn't do one movie together because again I was busy with my show. But I look forward to doing good projects in future for sure. And tonight is about being stylish, so I will talk about being stylish.
Neha ma'am, lot of going controversy against you regarding Kiss thing in Holi regarding
The kiss?
that people, lot of people talking about Holi.
You call it controversy? Did you see that video? I am sorry guys, there is something called blowing it out of proportions, and that's what you did. But again, I would just like to thank you all for giving us free publicity, because I haven't hired a PR for myself, and I just believe that you guys have done me numbers, and thank you, kudos to you guys for doing that.
Ma'am, your show on YouTube is doing very well. People love your character as Ishak Mark. People loving you so much.
Okay, later on.
Your favorite स्टाइलिश आइकॉन
Yeah.
जिसे आप फॉलो करते हैं
Right.
बचपन से.
बचपन से इंस्पायर्ड है कुछ
I think Priyanka Chopra is someone who's carrying it and killing it everywhere big time, and I feel she goes one notch up every time she dresses up. Sonam Kapoor kills her all the time on all the red carpets, and down west I think everybody, from Gigi Hadid to these Kendall Jenner, and there's something to look forward to, man. What do they do? And so there is so much to learn from them.
One quality that is required to be stylish. What is that one quality? Is it confidence? Is it sense? What do you want to say about it?
I think even if you don't have a dressing sense, being confident about it really makes a lot of difference, So whatever you're wearing, you need to be confident enough. Like, once I get ready, there'll be 5,000 people who will tell me 5,000 different things. And this is not looking right, this is not looking right, this is not going. But if you've liked it, just go for it, Don't overdo it, but yes, I think it's about... I don't know, I could be called the worst dressed tonight, but I am very happy with what I'm wearing. So that's it.
Thank you, Neha. Thank you so much.